Welcome to the in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and I'll show you how to turn off always on display feature on this device. So first we should just go into the Muviz Edge application, and then here click to the settings icon. Now just click here to the always on display, and just to turn off always on display feature on your device you should click here once on the switcher, and as can you see all of our just options, they are blocked now. And now when we'll just lock our device, we can see that always on display feature is turned off. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.